What is up, YouTube? I am back with another video, more vlog, more 240 stuff. I'm already at Robert's. I don't really have a plan for the day. I know that we're probably going to do some body work, which most of what the next few videos are probably going to be. Just trying to get the dents out, get one side clear and then move the other side. Figure it all out as we go. I am going to take Jillian's car to the car wash later to surprise her, because it's really dirty on the outside. We've had some like gross rain and shit come through, so wash her car up, surprise her, get that done. That'll be later in the video. For now, Robert texted me and was like, said something. I don't know, we're going to have to figure out what's going on here, but I'm going to go inside and I will update you when I know what we're doing. Alright guys, I'm squinting because the sun's super bright and it's really hot outside, but we're back on Bodywork today, so we're going to focus again. Back on the same point we were last time. Let's see if I can focus that a little bit. Might just be too bright, yeah. But you can see this dimple right here pretty good. There's a couple little crinkles still in there. We just want to knock those out. And then we'll start on this section over here. Yeah. Main focus though. Main focus is this back section. Trying to get this body back out. So we'll jump to the time lapse. Robert and I will start getting to work. And hopefully see you in a little bit with some sort of progress. Alright, quick progress update. We got that first ding out, so we're starting to get the full shape back. We're just going to work our way down, get the shape perfect or as close as we can, then come back and hit it and start hitting the other areas. Alright, back to the time lapse. Alright guys, another big update actually. This kink is just about completely gone. Like, this main one right here is smooth. A lot of this low is still here and we gotta pull it out some. But we're about where we can get today, so we're gonna wire wheel this all down back to bare metal and throw a coat of paint on it. Here, I'll pull you up close so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So that kink I showed y'all before is pretty much gone all the way through. Now we're just down to this one low spot right here, and it's just finding whatever little kink or ding actually causes that low spot. But we're gonna wire wheel it, throw some paint on, and time lapse. Hey guys, so I'm going to film the outro, but real quick, I'm super proud of how my little office thing turned out after Jillian and I organized. So I'm going to walk you through it real fast and just kind of give you a little behind the scenes look at where I do half of this stuff. So we got the editing station, PC and printer down there, and I used this like giant TV screen to do all my editing on, a couple little random knickknacks all over the place. Random cool little pieces. I got the cat's little spot they sit when I play simulator. The little car seat. Got the simulator, my like second pride and joy that I never touch anymore. My little storage spot for random parts that there's a little sneak peek of the moped seat. Yeah, just random little parts and stuff that I'm working on at home. Then we move on to this shelf. We got way too many Hot Wheels. This one's 3 stacked. Got the kendamas. More Hot Wheels. Just random ones. And even more Hot Wheels. What is that, like 7 now? Killing it. I got the Datsun set up in there. And some more like special kendamas that I don't actually play that I just kind of have them for like memorial. Some cool little Surikawas, random ones. We got a couple that are actually from Japan, and then I'm trying to look on the viewfinder to find this. Got this little heart one that a friend got me, and a couple that are actually from Japan. Yeah, the little peep shrine with a, I believe, Japanese, maybe Chinese Bible. Pretty sure I found a box of random Japanese stuff. And then some Japanese flavored cigarettes, some Japanese menthol cigarettes. Just some cool little stuff. But my camera's gonna die, so I'm gonna make this outro now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching some of the body work we did today. We're gonna get back into it tomorrow. I didn't get to clean Jillian's car like I wanted, but we'll get on that tomorrow too. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great night. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you want to be notified every time I make a new video, hit the little bell.